Professor Langley has made a great talk, so I really like that he didn't try to answer any of the humanity's biggest questions. He didn't try to philosophize, but he's basically given us a recipe how to live a happy life, how to just get involved with it.
As he said, you have to be in tune with yourself. It's not as simple as it seems, just to be honest with yourself, valuing yourself, knowing yourself. And it is from this position that you have to unfold your life. You have to.
Logotherapy, therapy through finding meaning and purpose in one's life. Existential analysis means analysis of the conditions which lead to a fulfilling, holistic life. Analysis of the conditions. What do we need to come to a fulfilling life? Because a fulfilling life makes us happy. And the key, and I bring the key right at the beginning, the key what we found out is that we have to live congruent with our essence. The essence of the human being is the person. The essence means, and the person by itself is something free in us. I will speak a bit more about it later. To make practical this essential freedom which is in us. Of course, we are surrounded by conditions and limitations, but there is a little space where we can decide, where we can go left or right, where we can say yes or no, where we can decide between tea or coffee, or where we can decide to get married or not. There is a little space, and this little space is crucial for existential psychology. We focus on this. And how can we make it practical? We do not want to philosophize with our clients or patients. We want to help them to realize their essence, themselves. To be able to realize it, there is a practical word which helps us to look at inner consent. We can define existential analysis as a method which helps people to live according to their inner consent or approval to what they do.